Go ahead, Officer Harris.
36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no smoking, no gum chewing, no drinking, no driving or riding in a vehicle, no laying down or lounging. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. These are the matters of the people versus Phyllis Ward. This is ticket number P12055560. One count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. One count defective windshield. Also calling ticket number P1205555. One count no insurance misdemeanor. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with the attorney, please.
Yes.
Can you hear me, Attorney Wallace?
Yes,
You're
yes,
muted.
Your Honor. I'm sorry. I thought you said you were doing something. You were handling something else, and then you were going to get to me.
No, go ahead.
Ted Wallace, on behalf of the defendant.
All right. And Ms. Ward, can you state your name for the record, please?
Phyllis Ward.
Okay.
I thought you wanted me to come back December the 2nd.
I am. I'm just making a record of it so that I can have you come back December the 2nd. This matter,
Okay.
today's matter is set for a arraignment on the information. How does your client stand, Mr. Wallace?
Just stand mute and wait for my reading, Your Honor.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf. I'm going
Thank
to have
you.
you return. Yes, I'm going to have you return on December the 2nd, ma'am. December the 2nd,
Okay.
via Zoom, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Please be ready for court, knowing that this is a real courtroom, even though you're at your home, that you need to be properly attired and ready for court on that day, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, and we'll see you back on December the 6th, 2021 at 9 a.m. I mean, at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, December the 2nd, 9 a.m.
Yes, correct.
Oh, 8. What did you say? 8 a.m.?
I said 8:30 a.m.
I'm sorry.
8:30
Okay, Your
a.m.
Honor. Mm-hmm.
All right,
Okay.
have a good-
I'm hanging up now.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead and hang up.
This is fucking out. Hang on. Oh my goodness. Okay.
All right, Ted, give us a minute. We're gonna send you all the office. John is doing it right now, then you'll be able to go in the rooms and talk to the folks, okay?
Yes, Judge. Thanks.
No problem. Attorney Wallace, she sent over the first set, so hopefully you get them in your email.
Checking right now.
Okay.
Oh, wow, she just posted, if anyone is alone.
I got them.
Did you get them, Attorney Wallace?
I did, Your Honor. I got a total of 4. Now I just got a new
Okay.
one.
And you'll get 2 more. So you can start putting yourself in the rooms. You have the capability to move from room to room. When you're ready, just go in there and start talking to them.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay?
Thank you.
No problem. Mr. Ward, why are you just signing into court? You have to connect to audio.
Sign up there, you got
Anybody else check in?
Yes. You guys trying to check in right now.
Okay.
All right. For that.
Uh,
You are. Hello?
okay, what's your name, sir?
Sorry, I've been having the roughest time with this Zoom thing. I couldn't get it right.
Not a problem. What's your name?
Gary Ward.
Gary Ward.
Yes, GARYWARD.
Okay, Mr. Ward.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Ward, my phone report is going to send you into a breakout room to talk with the attorney. You're going to join is going to pop up on your device. When it pops up, just hit join. Stay in that breakout room until we call you back into the courtroom. You may be in there for a second. That doesn't mean we forgot about you. That just means the attorney is talking to other people.
Understood.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Okay.
Mr. Ward, you're welcome.
So, okay. Let you sleep. Thought you got your so,
I'm all set, Your Honor.
We have one more person signed on.
Is that Mr. Ward?
Yes, and they sent over the offer. I can read it to you though.
Okay.
His offer is to plead to ticket ending in 610-2 as improper plates instead of no insurance and dismiss the remaining counts.
All right, I'll go in and talk to him.
All right, and then we'll bring everybody out.
Okay.
Thank you. You ready, Attorney Wallace?
I am.
Okay. Fantastic. just keep their device on mute until I call your name, I would greatly appreciate that. Then when I call your name, if you would unmute yourself at that point in time, and I'll handle your court matter, okay? Jakara Watson,
Right here.
is that how you pronounce the name, sir?
Dracar.
Jakar, okay, thank you. You ready? These are the matters of the people versus Jakar Watson. This is ticket number P1209897. One count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. One count improper plates. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1209296. One count dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates. One count tinted windows, front driver's passenger windshield more than 4 inches. One count no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Watson, who is present via Zoom.
And Mr. Watson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Dracar Watson.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, after speaking with Mr. Watson, he would like to take advantage of the people's offer.
So, Mr. Watson, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Can you speak up just a little bit too for us?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
I had talked to the attorney guy. That's it.
That's right. That's the attorney. Mr. Wallace, you spoke to him?
Yes.
All right. Did anyone threaten you, force
No.
you, or promise you? Let me finish, okay?
Okay.
Take a deep breath. Be easy. I know you're trying to get through it. Just let me
No, because
finish.
I'm at work. That's why I get off at 3 o'clock. I was trying to hurry up. That's all.
I know. You gotta be patient. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of July the 2nd of 2021. Were you at that time driving a 2005 Chrysler vehicle in the area
Yes.
of Van Dyke? Okay, were you in the area of Van Dyke and Raxdale in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
While you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates on it?
No, I just have bought it.
Did you have plates on it?
No, I had a sticker in the window. He couldn't see it because my tent. I had tent on my car. He couldn't see it.
Your Honor, I would say that that's probably improperly displayed.
No, but it's improper plates. And he's supposed to be pleading to. I mean, if you can't make a factual basis on that, we can set this for a bench or a jury trial, Mr. Watson. Which one would you like?
Say it again.
I said we can set this for a bench or a jury trial. Which one would you like?
Shit.
A bench trial is a trial before me as the trier and finder of the fact. A jury trial is before 6 people from the city of Detroit who listen to that same information and come up with a decision at that point in time.
Say the bench trial again. What's that one?
That's a trial before myself as using that same information that the officer would testify to determine it based on the law.
So I just do the bench trial. Yeah.
Okay. I'll set these matters for a bench trial on the date of March the 22nd of 2022 at 9 a.m.
All right.
Set your bond at $0 personal. And I'll see you then. Okay.
All right.
All right, Mr. Walker, have a good day.
Yes, sir.
Diamond Williams?
Yes.
All right. You ready? This is the matter of the people versus Diamond Williams. This is ticket number P 1220122. One count to supply false information and or ID to police officers. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace, on behalf of Ms. Williams, who's present via Zoom.
And Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record?
Diamond Shamir Williams.
This is the Diamond and Jacob step for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, my client would stand mute and waive formal reading.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
And Ms. Williams would like to get a formal hearing date or a trial date. I'm sorry.
Ms. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me that you would like to have a trial in this matter. Is that going to be a bench trial where I'm the finder and the trier of the facts? Or is that going to be a jury trial where 6 members of the Detroit community will come out and judge those facts and evidence presented by the police department? How do you want to proceed?
A bench trial.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial then on the date of March the 22nd of 2022. I'm going to set this matter at 9 a.m. on that date. It is going to be a Zoom trial, and you can call back in the same way that you called in today. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal at this time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Edward Williams?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. All right, you ready? This is the matter of people versus Edward Williams. This is ticket number P 1221963. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace, on behalf of Mr. Williams, who is present via Zoom.
Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Edward Williams.
This is the time and date set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, after speaking with Mr. Williams, he'd like to take advantage of the people's offer and plead to an amended count of or amended charge of improper plates.
Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hands down, sir. Hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney, that would be Mr. Wallace, in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, I do.
All right, Mr. Williams, I want to take your attention back to the date of July the 2nd of 2021. Were you driving in the area of Shane and Jefferson Avenue in the city of Detroit, a 2005 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because you didn't have any car insurance at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wallace?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plates. Mr. Williams, what's out your window? What you keep looking at?
Oh, none. There was just somebody walking past.
I can see your every movement. So every time you looked up, I'm like, well, what are you looking at? I want to see it too. Pay attention, Mr. Williams.
I apologize.
It's okay. Are you currently employed, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 cool.
That's gonna be enough time?
Yeah, it'll probably be a little bit before.
Okay, that's fine. So I'll make it due no later than December the 17th of 2021, okay?
Okay. That's perfect.
You looked up. Is that gonna be okay? I just want to make sure.
Yeah. That's cool.
Okay, all right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay, sir? You have a good day.
All right, thank you.
All right. Ms. Webster Williams, you can unmute yourself now.
Okay.
This is the matter of the people versus Belinda Webster Williams. This is ticket number P1209734. One count failed to signal, one count defective brake lights, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Webster Williams, who's present via Zoom.
And Ms. Webster Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Belinda Webster Williams.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, first of all, I just want to clarify because what I have is the ticket is 1209732, counts 1, 2, and 3. Is that different than what the court has?
No, that's what I have. So if I said the number was wrong, I do apologize.
Okay, I thought I heard a 4 in there and I got concerned. I have to speak. What's that?
I said I may have said 4. I apologize as well.
Oh, okay. That, no problem. I after speaking with Ms. Webster Williams, she would like to take the amended offer, or she'd like to take the offer of amended charge of improper plates.
All right, is that right, Ms. Webster Williams?
Yes.
Okay, if so, can you please raise your right hand, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hands down, ma'am.
All right.
Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today? That would have been Mr. Wallace, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today with this guilty plea?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Webster Williams, I want to take you back to the date of July the 2nd of 2021. Were you at that time driving a 2007 Cadillac vehicle in the area of Hubble and West Chicago Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it have improper plates because you had no car insurance at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wallace?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the other 2 counts are civil infractions, so the court will dismiss those matters in conjunction with this particular plea and enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on count 3. Mrs. Webster Williams, are you currently employed?
No.
Okay, how long have you been out of employment?
I'm on disability.
Okay, so you have a source of income?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to assess a fine in the amount of $200. I'm going to give you 60 days to be able to pay that. So I'm going to make it due no later than January 18th of 2022. Okay, ma'am? That should give you
That's
enough time.
fine.
Okay. Not take too much away from your disability, okay?
Okay.
All right. That's going to be fine.
Yes.
If there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. Thank you, Ms. Webster Williams.
Did you say January the what now?
18th, 2022. Is that going to give you enough time, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I just wanted to write it down. Okay.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you for writing it down. Okay. Have it paid by that time so you don't get any late fees or anything, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Uh-huh.
Mrs. Jakara Watkins?
Yes, I'm here.
This is the matter of the people versus Jakara Watkins. Ticket number P1216265. One count of blockade, moving lane of traffic. One count of tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Never mind. No insurance, count 3. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Watkins.
And Ms. Watkins, can you state your name for the record?
Jakara Watkins.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding in this matter?
Your Honor, after speaking with Ms. Watkins, she has expressed desire to take advantage of the people's offer of improper plates. Of an
Is
amended,
that right, Ms. Watkins? I'm sorry to interrupt, what did you say?
of an
Yes.
amended offer of improper plates.
And Ms. Watkins, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Can you hear us okay? I'm getting an alert that you having a little, can you hear us okay?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a little delayed.
I can hear.
Okay. All right. Ms. Watkins, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward with the trial, a plea in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Watkins, I want to take you back to the date of July the 2nd, 2021. Were you in the area of Monroe and Bobian in the city of Detroit, driving a 2014 Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have improper plates because you had no car insurance at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wallace?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause? Well, the other two counts are civil infractions, so the court will dismiss those matters in conjunction with this case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Watkins, do you have a source of income?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set the fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay. I'm going to have it due no later than 12/18/2021 then, okay? No.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine.
I think it's 12/17. I apologize. 12/17/2021, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right. If there's nothing further, then you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will. Thank you. Ms. Woods, you can unmute yourself now.
Hello.
Hi, I know. This is the matter of the people versus Wendy Woods. Do you go by your last name too?
No, I'm sorry. I go by Wendy Woods, my
Okay.
original name. Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me how to pronounce that last name though?
It's Ojo Fatimi.
Ojo
Ojo
Fatimi?
Fatimi. Yes.
Okay, that's what's on the ticket. That's why I want to make sure I put it on the record, okay?
Okay.
Ojo Fatimi. All right, this is ticket number P1205687. One count 31 plus miles over posted speed. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Ms. Woods Ojo Fatimi.
And can you state your name for the record, ma'am, please?
It's Wendy Nicole Woods Ojo Fatimi.
This is the date and time set for an arraignment How are we proceeding on this matter?
Your Honor, we'd like to enter a plea of, or stand mute and waive formal reading.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Your Honor, so it's on the calendar that I received from the court, it only had one count, and that was for I believe that was for the no insurance. We were not, and then the count one, I'm not sure what that was for speeding.
It was, and it says something on the sheet, and I actually have the prosecutor in the courtroom, so I was gonna ask him, it says count one return.
Yes, so, Judge,
Can you
and,
state your name for record?
yes, Your Honor, John Gillis, P79500, on behalf of the people. And Your Honor, it's my understanding, and also after speaking to, Madam Court Clerk, that means the ticket, that count was returned to the precinct. So I guess it could be potentially issued by the officer at a future time, but it did not make its way into the court system when we originally received it.
Okay, all right.
So
Do you understand that, Ms. Woods?
No.
Attorney Wallace?
I didn't really hear what he said either. So is she not, is there no ticket, or is there?
As of today, there is no count one for speeding.
Okay, and so the only thing that she would be pleading to is amended charge of improper plates. Well, this is the problem, is that she actually she had just bought that car and had insurance in the glove compartment, but didn't realize that there's the proof was in there for the no insurance. And so
Does she have it right now?
Yes.
she has switched companies from that time, but she does, I believe, do you still have proof of the insurance from when you
Yeah,
had
you know what? I didn't go outside. I was scared because I was gonna miss it, but here it go, right? I just have the paperwork.
The city attorney is in the court, you can look at that, okay?
Okay, well, here go this one. This is what I have now, but the AAA that I had at the time is right. I had
That's
this.
all right. Take your time. Just put up the first one there so that he can be able to see it. Ms. Woods, take your time.
Yes.
Put the first one back up so he can see it. You're gonna have to let him focus in for a moment. So just hold it up and he's gonna give you directions, okay, on how to be, so he can see it.
Okay. Can y'all see it?
There.
Okay, hold it right
Oh,
there.
yep. Okay, thank you, Ms. Woods.
Okay, and I was trying to, I had just went to go get the thing for the, I can't see. I just saw it, and I'm sorry. Oh, here we go. Where I had it, when I got the car, it was my first time ever buying a car, so I didn't know that them paperwork had it on there.
Ma'am, we understand. Just take your time. You're okay.
And this the one from AAA. Wait a minute. When I got it before I left out the lot. So they sent me this like a week later. After I had, this was from AAA, and now I'm with MetLife through my job.
Okay. That sounds good. Thank you, Ms. Woods. I appreciate you showing us both proofs of insurance.
Okay, thank you.
So in light of that, we're asking for if the city attorney would be inclined to dismiss that count as well.
Yes, there'd be no objection from the city, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, with no objection from the city, we're going to dismiss this without prejudice, ma'am. Thank you for having that paperwork. Congratulations on getting your first car. I'm sorry it turned out like this, but just make sure that you keep that documentation in the car from now on so that you can present it to an officer at any time, okay?
Okay, thank you very much, and happy holidays to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
You too.
you, ma'am. And thank you for the laughs earlier. I saw you.
Thank y'all. Have a blessed day.
You too. All right.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. And Mr. Ward, you can unmute yourself now, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good
Your Honor.
afternoon. Yeah, you ready? All right, this is the matter of the people versus Gary Ward. This is ticket number P1221609. One count failed to stop for stop sign, one count obstructed vision. Also calling ticket number P1221610. One count drove while license suspended, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Excuse me. Appearances for the record. Start with counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ted Wallace on behalf of Mr. Ward, who is present via Zoom.
And Mr. Ward, can you state your name for the record, please?
Gary Ward.
This is a date and time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, counsel?
My client would stand mute and ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty, and we'd waive formal reading.
All right, at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
I'm confused. Oh, sorry.
How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I believe that the people have given an offer for Mr. Ward to plead to improper plates and dismiss the rest of the counts, and Mr. Ward would like to take advantage of that offer.
Is that right, Mr. Ward?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Ward, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, cool. I want to take your attention back to the date of July the 2nd, 2021. Were you in the area of Pilgrim and Coyle Streets in the city of Detroit driving a 2004 Mercury vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have car insurance on it, making your license plates improper at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Wallace?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for a probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket number 610, count 2, dismiss the remaining count on that ticket, as well as ticket ending in 609 in its entirety. Mr. Ward, do you currently have a source of income?
I've been out of work for the last 2.5 weeks, but I'm supposed to be hired with Amazon, but they waiting on my background check to clear.
Okay. When are you supposed to get hired by Amazon?
I'm technically already hired, but for some reason they said my background didn't clear in their system today. They told me that, so I got to call somebody for it to clear.
Okay. Is it gonna be a driving car, or are you gonna be working in the actual plant?
In Livonia at the plant.
All right.
I don't think this ticket is not going to show up on his driving record, so I think he should be all set as far as this is concerned. I don't know anything else.
All right.
I got the background clearance right here. It said complete ineligible.
I know. I'm just trying to see how to assess a fine, what I want to do with the fine. You don't have to show me. I'm trying to figure out. It sounds like you're trying to keep your life on track. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with the fine. It's okay, Mr. Ward. All right, Mr. Ward, I'm going to waive costs and fines on this today. You keep pushing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I hope you get that job. I hope you get all the clearance and everything, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Now, you may have some reinstatement fees. I'm not waiving those. So you want to check online to make sure you get all those paid as well, okay?
I will.
All right. If there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day.
Okay.